sort of. What do you like about the movie? It is like more down to earth, more practical. It has shown what is the real kind of life the people live in villages of India. Okay. So that is what it is. It is more practical and more real. So I like that.
So how do you select a movie before going?
See, it should give me something, new. Okay. For example, if you talk about Hollywood movies, they are more concept based, right? They give you something new, as in something which is beyond obvious, right? Something you have to imagine, something which inspires you, or something which attracts you because they have shown something new in that. Okay. For example, if you see simple Bollywood movies, they are just like singing songs here and there, just one kind of thing. Right. No new. There's nothing new in that, nothing new to offer. Okay. But that is something which we get in Hollywood movies. Right. So that is what attracts me.
How frequently you go for a movie?
I do watch movies very frequently, but not necessarily in the cinema halls.
Okay.
I download and then watch on my laptop. That is it.
Okay.
But I watch like about 3 or 4 movies in a week. Okay. That is it.
So it's generally you go for a review and then choose a movie, or it's nothing like that?
See, it's like mostly, yeah. For some of friends, they go and they view the movies and then they suggest me it's like worth watching or not. Or if something appeals me, then I can go directly. Or otherwise, like after reading the review and how is the movie, I go.
And you follow any particular star cast or production house of that sort?
If you talk about, I follow the movies of certain stars. For example, I like the movies of Tom Hanks.
Okay.
Right. So that kind of a thing.
In Bollywood?
In Bollywood, you can say nothing, in terms of star cast.
Okay.
Nothing in terms of star cast.
Any
but
production?
definitely, Amir Khan production, I would like to see.
Okay.
So what is the most important element in the movie? You have story, you have screenplay, you have songs.
It should give you something new, which you do not see in general life. Okay. That is the thing.
And how you go about watching a movie with your friends or family?
Yeah, definitely with my friends.
Okay, not with the family. Yes.
See, I work in Mumbai and my family is in Lucknow.
So that's fine.
That is the thing.
And which cinema hall you prefer?
INOX mostly.
INOX. Okay.
So let's say when you watch with your friends, do you decide the movie or some other friend decides the movie and you just hang around with it?
It's both ways. Like sometimes I say that this is a good movie, we should go and see it. And sometimes they also suggest. So it's like mutual, you can say.
So you are working there in Mumbai?
Yeah.
So in companies also people go for movie, right? So whether the selection of movie is different there?
Yeah, definitely it's different there.
Okay.
Because the taste of the people over there and the taste of not necessarily they should meet, right?
Okay.
So that is it.
So there, what difference do you see in a company?
People, the problem with me, as I told you, that I like movies which are more real.
Okay.
And it gives you something new.
Okay.
When people, my colleagues in office, they like hip hop kind of movies with with Gana Bajana and all that.
Okay.
So there's a difference. Okay. But then also you need to go with them because you have to maintain that relationship also.
Okay. Again, thanks.